plus yung amount na na-expect ko lang shipping fee. So, nakababula lang siya. Alam mo ba na? And this is the box. So, medyo nilupi na siya. And, ano na? Maalog-alog lang siya. So, red naman. It's the Samsung AirPods. This. Okay, wala siya. Dito pala yun. Akala ko sa sticky. Para mag-stand. And this one chargers. Tatlo siya. So, last one na is Sony headphones. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, wala na. Right, and that's it. So, it says, congratulations, you are one step closer to winning. Chika lang. And bye!